Hello kids! This is lesson 5, Big Letters of the English Alphabet. Please get your pencil and paper and let's write the big letters of the English alphabet. Write each letter and say it. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's write and say A A A B B B
Wow!
C C C D D D E E E F F F G
Yeah.
Wow!
G H H H I I I J
Wow!
J
Yeah.
J K K K L L L M M M N N N O O O P P P
Yeah.
Q Q Q R R R S S S T T T U U V. 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 W. W.
Wow.
W. X. 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 Y. 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 Z. Z. Z.
Wow.
All right, good job. You finish it? Let's do it one more time. This time, let's do it a little faster. Only one letter per letter. Write one letter per letter. All right, let's get started. A. A. B. B. C. C. D. D. E. E. F. F. G. G.
Wow.
H. H.
Yeah.
I. I.
Wow.
J. J.
Wow.
K.
Wow.
K. L. L. M. M. N. N. O. O.
Yeah.
P. P. Q. Q.
Wow.
R. R.
Yeah.
S. S. T. T. U. U.
Wow.
V. V. W. W. X. X.
Yeah.
Y. Z. Z. All right, that's awesome. Very good. Now, say it one more time, one last time. What's this? Good job. A. B. Very good. C, very good. D, very good. E, very good. F, good job. G, very good. H, very good. I, that's good. J, very good. K, that's good. L, very good. M, that's good. N, that's good. O, very good. P, that's good. Q, good job. R, good job. S, very good. T, very good. U, that's good. V, that's good. W, very good. X, good job. Y, good job. Z, very good. Z. One more time. Z.
Wow.
Alright, that's awesome. Good job, kids. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.